Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here. Today we're going to be making Cozze con Salsa di Vino Bianco. It's mussels and white wine sauce. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. The ingredients that we need: mussels, butter, white wine, garlic, crushed red pepper, black pepper, oregano, parsley, lemon juice, and crostinis. Garlic, and let that saute it up until it gets golden. You see my garlic is nice and golden, and I'm going to add the mussels. And I'm going to cover them. And they're going to be open within the next 3 to 5 minutes. Mussels are done. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe, and bon appetit.